Guys, we have found another one. Look at this one. Can't even see it for the trees. And I'm assuming it's empty, but I really can't tell. Does look like it is. Can't even get into it. Wow. Got so bad, it looked like a tree fell over at the neighbors. Can't even see the doors. Wow. Ain't that something? Back here's the back door. Looks like an old car has been abandoned. Right here. The old car. Right here. I don't know what it was last year they've been in here. There's an old shed. Right here. Looks like it's full of garbage and boxes and stuff. Wow. And we got the back of it right here. Looks like it's been closed up for a while. I don't know the story of it. I don't even know what town I'm in. But we got plastic over the windows. We can't see in. Oh, the back door is open. Let's see if we can peek in. Hello? Hello? Oh, it's falling in. Right here, as you can see, it's got a beautiful kitchen. Right here. It's got a stove, a sink, cabinets. Here's the bathroom. Up here. Right here. Here's your bathroom. Excuse me. Here's your front room. Right here. Pretty cool. I ain't going upstairs. I don't do stairs. Nice room here. Nice closet. Nice big room here. Wow. Oh, it goes on around to another room. Very nice. It's got a porch. Very cool. I'd like to see upstairs. We'll go up a little bit. I fall easy. It looks like it's, well, I ain't gonna go up there. I'm afraid I'll fall. I can't see good enough. You got shelves. They've had pets. Got the old timey locks. Very cool. Wow. Nice big kitchen with tall cabinets. Wow. This room here looks like it's falling in. It does. It stinks bad though. We gotta get out of here. That'll mess with your breathing. Wow. Looks like it's got a nice yard. It does look like it has some branches down. It's a nice little old house. It might be salvageable. I don't know. It's got a little closet. I mean, a little door back here to the cabinet. Or not cabinet, but the storage. Just a little storage room. Let me put this back. Very cool, guys. Nice little old house. Wonder why it's empty. I mean, I know the floor is bad. Here's the car. Back seat's gone. It was in Ohio. Looks like the last it was drove in 21. So it's only been a couple of years. They deteriorate fast, don't they? That's the sad part. Boy, is it grown up. Wow. How would you even get in it? Can't even get to the windows. got bay windows, or the slanted windows. Beautiful house. Does need trimming. Needs a good trimming, I would say. It's got a porch right there. Behind all that gob is a porch. Right in there it is. There's a porch. Beautiful old house if it was fixed. And all this junk was cut away. But there it is, guys. Please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you watching. And we're out of here.